If you're over 60, stop scrolling for just a moment, because what you're about to hear could completely change the way you think about aging skin. For generations in Japan, whispers have circulated about a potent, almost mystical recipe, one that uses nothing but a simple banana peel to defy wrinkles and reclaim that soft, healthy glow. Imagine a timeless secret now waiting right in your kitchen. No injections, no expensive creams, just pure natural ingredients. Unbelievable? Maybe. But whispers are turning into shouts as people swear by visible transformations. Not in weeks, but within days. What if it's true? Here's the stark truth. Wrinkles aren't just about age. They're a profound alarm signaling your skin's vital repair system is losing moisture, elasticity, and collagen. And honestly, when that happens, even the priciest creams often fall short, struggling to make any real difference. That's precisely why this simple Japanese banana peel blend is commanding such immense attention. It's championed for profoundly hydrating, brightening, and gently lifting aging skin by truly igniting your body's own incredible ability to rebuild from within. Ancient myth or rediscovered wisdom? One thing is undeniable. It has people buzzing, and many are actively testing it themselves, reporting truly surprising results. So back to the big question, can something as truly humble as a banana peel actually make your skin look visibly younger? We want to hear from you. Have you ever tried any natural skin remedies like this one? Where are you watching from today? Please drop your experiences or opinions in the comments below. Your story matters. And if you're eager for more science-based insights and surprisingly simple ways to truly nourish your skin after 60, don't miss out. Make sure to subscribe and stick with us right to the very end. You won't regret it. It may sound utterly unusual, perhaps even a bit strange, but believe me, the humble banana peel is quietly emerging as a truly surprising ally for mature skin. And yes, I'm genuinely sharing this because if you're past 60 and seriously looking to refresh your skin, this might just be profoundly worth your dedicated attention. For ages, bananas have been exclusively viewed in countless cultures as mere food, never as a potential skincare tool. However, a growing body of compelling research is now revealing that the peel, not the soft fruit inside, actually contains a rich, intricate array of powerful bioactive compounds specifically designed to support aging skin. For instance, banana peels are undeniably found to contain lutein, a potent carotenoid boasting incredible antioxidant action that helps fiercely defend skin cells from relentless free radical damage. Simultaneously, the peel cradles flavonoids, tannins, and various phenolic acids that exhibit profound anti-inflammatory and impressive antioxidant properties, even in rigorous lab settings. So let's explore precisely how that profoundly applies to your beautiful skin after 60. As we gracefully age, our skin's crucial moisture barrier tragically begins to silently, yet persistently, break down, meaning precious hydration inevitably seeps out, leaving your skin thinner, noticeably less resilient, and dramatically more prone to those delicate fine lines. Now, rest assured, the banana peel's natural nutrients are by no means miraculous, but they possess a remarkable ability to gently support mild inflammation, profoundly soothe persistent dryness, and crucially help reinforce that vital, weakening barrier. In fact, one notable scientific review emphatically concluded that banana peels exhibit significant antioxidant activity, incredibly useful for treating free radical-mediated diseases. And here's insightful commentary from leading dermatologists. While the overall effect might not be instantly dramatic, the natural oils and rich potassium inherently found in the peel can powerfully help hydrate the skin, consistently leading to a noticeably smoother, more radiant appearance. In essence, let's be absolutely clear. This isn't about frantically covering up wrinkles or foolishly promising instant, magical change. No, this is profoundly about genuine nourishment and consistent, gentle, yet powerful skin support. While embracing something as simple as a banana peel certainly won't replace medical treatments, it can undoubtedly become a small, deeply consistent habit that perfectly aligns with your real, complex skin biology, especially as we navigate later life. So if you're genuinely curious to try this for yourself, or perhaps you've already experienced its subtle benefits, we desperately want to hear from you. Please drop into the comments below where you're watching from and what your honest thoughts are. And listen closely. You absolutely must stick around for the next crucial section. Coming up, I won't just tell you about banana peel. I'll dramatically reveal precisely how to pair it with simple, totally unexpected kitchen ingredients to unlock its even more extraordinary, truly transformative, age-defying power. Number 1. Cucumber. All right, let's unlock some serious skin magic, shall we? This isn't just a banana peel, it's a powerhouse waiting to transform your skin. And when we blend it with cucumber, bam, you've got a refreshing, nutrient-packed elixir ready to awaken tired, aging skin, making it truly feel alive again. Cucumber? It's more than just cool and soothing. This gem is brimming with natural antioxidants, like caffeic acid and silica, compounds proven to strengthen connective tissue and provide a shield against sun damage. These compounds support collagen formation and calm inflammation, two of the biggest challenges skin faces after 60. Now, the banana peel, it's not just along for the ride. Packed with lutein and amino acids, it's a hydration powerhouse and a warrior against those pesky free radicals hell-bent on accelerating wrinkles. Together, these two ingredients create a creamy, pale green mask that feels instantly cooling and hydrating. This isn't just pleasant, it's a targeted embrace for dry, dull, or even slightly irritated skin. And yes, with consistent use, it actively works to even out your skin tone over time. According to dermatologists, maintaining moisture is key to preserving elasticity as the skin barrier weakens with age. Ready to make it? Grab the peel of one perfectly ripe banana, add half a peeled cucumber, and blend until it's velvety smooth. No lumps allowed. Now apply a thin, even layer to your face, neck, and don't forget your hands. Let it work its magic for 20 glorious minutes, then rinse thoroughly with warm water, finishing with a brisk splash of cold. Use it daily for a week, then a few times a week for maintenance. The secret isn't speed, it's consistency. So the burning question, will you give this natural wonder a try? Because let me tell you, viewers are already calling it their new holy grail ritual for calming and brightening mature skin. Share your thoughts in the comments and keep watching. Next, we'll add one more simple ingredient that helps boost collagen and bring back your skin's youthful glow. Number 2, plain yogurt. All right, get ready because this is where the true rejuvenating power of our recipe really kicks in. So you've got that incredible banana cucumber base. Now prepare for the magic. Adding plain yogurt transforms it into a gentle, powerhouse collagen-supporting mask. Seriously, it's like a luxurious mini facial, all from your own home. Yogurt has been used for centuries in both Eastern and Western beauty traditions, and modern dermatology confirms why. Why is it so good? Because it's absolutely brimming with lactic acid, a natural alpha hydroxy acid, or AH. That's a master at gently sweeping away dead skin cells and dramatically smoothing the texture of aging skin. And the science backs it up. Studies consistently show that mild AHAs, specifically lactic acid, significantly boost skin renewal, supercharge elasticity, and visibly smooth out fine lines. When you commit to using them regularly, of course. As we age, collagen and elastin production slow dramatically, leaving the skin thinner and more fragile. That's exactly where yogurt swoops in. Its lactic acid powerfully helps kickstart that vital renewal process, while its natural proteins and nourishing fats dive deep to soothe and hydrate. And here's a crucial detail many often miss. It also expertly balances your skin's pH. When your skin's barrier becomes too alkaline, dryness and irritation increase. Yogurt gently restores that balance, leaving the surface stronger and more resilient. Ready to whip up this collagen-boosting blend? It's super simple. Just take 1 teaspoon of your banana cucumber base and mix it with 1 teaspoon of plain, unsweetened yogurt. That's it. Stir until it's perfectly smooth and creamy, then generously apply a thin layer over your face, your neck, and yes, even don't forget the backs of your hands. They need love too. Let this fantastic mask work its magic for about 20 minutes. Then, rinse thoroughly with warm water. And here's the trick. Finish with a splash of cold water to really seal in that moisture. And over time, what will you notice? Not just a brighter, more luminous look, but a visibly firmer feel. Your skin will thank you, becoming deeply hydrated and saying goodbye to that tight, uncomfortable sensation. Many people describe this as giving the skin back its confidence, and it makes sense. After 60, skincare isn't just about appearance. It's about how comfortable you feel in your own skin again. Have you ever tried a yogurt-based mask before? Share your experience in the comments and keep watching, because next we're adding one more ingredient that can help lift and firm mature skin from the inside out. Number 3. Gelatin. Ready for the next powerhouse ingredient? This step is all about reclaiming strength, the very resilience your skin seems to forget as the years gently, or not so gently, tick by. After 60, our body's natural collagen production plummets. That's precisely why skin often starts to sag, feeling noticeably thinner across the cheeks, jawline, and neck. Collagen is the protein that gives skin its firmness, elasticity, and resilience. Without enough of it, wrinkles deepen and the skin's scaffolding starts to weaken. That's where gelatin comes in. Now let's be clear, applying gelatin topically won't miraculously replace deep-set collagen. But here's the magic. It absolutely helps in powerful, visible ways. Gelatin derived from collagen contains vital amino acids, especially glycine and proline, known to bolster your body's connective tissue strength when consumed. Used topically, however, gelatin creates a delicate film. As it dries, this film subtly tightens, delivering an immediate firming effect that visibly smooths your skin's surface and supercharges hydration retention. Combined with our banana, cucumber, and yogurt base, this mix isn't just softening, it feels actively lifting, leaving skin refreshed, taut, and subtly toned. To craft this fortifying blend, simply combine 1 teaspoon of our existing banana cucumber yogurt mix with 1 teaspoon of powdered gelatin. Stir vigorously until it transforms into a decadent, pudding-like consistency. Apply a thin, even layer to your face, neck, or hands, and let it work its magic for 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water to gently open pores, then follow with cool water to powerfully seal in that moisture. Commit to consistent use, and you'll feel the difference. Skin that's firmer, less fragile, and significantly more resilient against dryness and environmental stress. Dermatologists often emphasize that maintaining skin strength isn't purely cosmetic, it's functional. Think about it. Stronger skin means better protection, faster healing, and far greater comfort every single day. This simple mask works as a reminder that even small, gentle rituals can restore both structure and confidence to aging skin. Would you try adding gelatin to your routine? Some say it gives that subtle lift they've been missing. Stay tuned, because next we're adding a natural oil that deeply nourishes and helps bring back the soft glow so many people miss after 60. Number 4. Grapeseed oil. Next up, we're adding a touch of pure luxury, effortlessly simple, yet incredibly potent. Grapeseed oil, consider it your skin's quiet powerhouse hero. It's light, absorbs in a flash, and absolutely brimming with nutrients mature skin craves. Naturally, it's bursting with vitamin E, a renowned antioxidant that fiercely protects skin cells from free radical damage, a key culprit behind fine lines and persistent dullness. Plus, it boasts linoleic acid, an essential fatty acid that powerfully fortifies your skin's moisture barrier, drastically reducing water loss, a primary cause of dryness and flaking post-60. In fact, breakthrough research consistently confirms that topical application of vitamin E and linoleic acid-rich oils significantly boosts skin elasticity and hydration in older adults. What truly sets grapeseed oil apart is its unparalleled ability to penetrate deep, without a trace of greasiness. It nourishes from deep within, saturating skin with antioxidants that not only boost defense, but actively ignite its natural regeneration process. With consistent use, expect a smoother texture, a beautifully even tone, and that subtle, healthy glow to return with confidence. For mature skin, which often feels stubbornly dull despite moisturizing, grapeseed oil is a game changer. It powerfully restores that light-reflecting softness, visibly transforming your complexion for a more youthful appearance. To prepare, grab your fortified banana cucumber yogurt gelatin blend, then stir in 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Mix thoroughly until it achieves a luscious, creamy, and slightly glossy texture. Let it penetrate for about 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water, sealing it all in with a refreshing, cool splash. Use it daily for a week, then a few times weekly. It's designed to keep your skin hydrated and supple without ever clogging pores. Dermatologists widely endorse lightweight plant oils like grapeseed because they deliver intense hydration while uniquely allowing your skin to breathe. This makes them ideal for seniors who want softness without heaviness or irritation. Would you ever have thought such a simple oil could revive your skin's natural glow? Many who try it say their skin feels smoother and looks brighter after just a few uses. Keep watching, because in the next and final step, we'll seal this rejuvenating ritual with two last ingredients that calm, cool, and awaken tired skin. Number 5. Aloe vera and sage oil. The final touch to this rejuvenating ritual brings everything together, a combination of aloe vera gel and just a few drops of sage essential oil. This step acts like a seal, locking in moisture, calm, and vitality. Aloe vera has long been celebrated in both traditional and modern skincare for its soothing and healing properties. Rich in antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, and E, it helps protect the skin from oxidative stress, one of the major causes of visible aging. Studies have shown that aloe vera improves skin hydration and elasticity when used consistently, making it an excellent choice for mature skin that has lost some of its natural plumpness and glow. Sage oil, meanwhile, brings an entirely different kind of magic. Known for its circulatory and toning properties, this essential oil helps tighten the skin, refine pores, and support elasticity. It's not only about the appearance, it's about energy. When applied in small amounts, sage can gently stimulate microcirculation, giving the skin a healthy, rosy look. It's a subtle wake-up call for tired tissue, restoring a sense of vitality that often fades with age. Some research suggests that sage extract also has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity, helping protect the skin barrier and fight off environmental stressors. To prepare this final blend, mix 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel with 2 or 3 drops of sage oil into your existing banana cucumber, yogurt gelatin, grapeseed mixture. Stir well until fully combined. The scent will have a light herbal note, fresh, earthy, and calming. When you apply it, the cooling sensation is almost therapeutic, instantly softening lines while deeply hydrating the skin. The result is not only smoother, but also brighter and more alive-looking skin. For the best results, consistency is everything. Use this rejuvenating mix daily for a week to give your skin an initial boost, then 2 to 3 times per week to maintain that softness and vitality. Store it in a small jar in the refrigerator, and each time you apply it, take a few moments to enjoy the ritual. It's not just about skincare, it's about mindfulness and connection with yourself. With each layer, from hydration to structure, from repair to restoration, this ritual becomes more than a mask. It's a ladder back to confidence and balance. Simple ingredients, gentle care, and steady routine. Those are the real secrets to skin that feels renewed at any age. Stay with us, because next we'll talk about how to keep this ritual sustainable for the long term and make it part of a realistic, age-positive routine you can truly enjoy. This final part is where everything comes together, the difference between a quick fix and a true ritual. Real skin renewal isn't about chasing overnight results. It's about helping your skin remember how to care for itself. When you treat it with patience, nourishment, and respect instead of pressure and perfectionism, it begins to respond in ways that even the most expensive creams can't match. Especially after 60, your body craves gentle consistency more than intensity. What makes a ritual like this special is that it goes beyond beauty. It's about reclaiming ownership of your well-being, finding dignity and calm in the act of caring for yourself. Every time you take a few quiet minutes to apply these blends, you're not just soothing the surface. You're reminding your skin and yourself that you're still alive, still capable of growth and restoration. That small moment of self-care is its own form of healing. When so much of aging can feel like losing control, this kind of mindful ritual gives something back, a sense of agency, softness, and strength. That's what makes it truly sustainable. If you've made it this far, you're part of a growing community that believes health and beauty after 60 come from care, not quick fixes. Tell us in the comments where you're watching from and what part of this ritual spoke to you most. We read every response. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Senior Health Guard so we can reach more people just like you, people who want to age vibrantly, naturally, and with confidence. And stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll explore how daily nutrition can support your skin from the inside out.